What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. So taking a look at something a little different on my channel today. We're going to be taking a look at a pressure washer. Now I want to give a huge shout out to the company SwipeSmith for sending this over for a review. Now you can pick this up on Amazon.com. The price is going to be $134.99, but they're also offering an $8 coupon that you can apply to that price as well. So this is a 2500 max PSI 2.4 gallons per minute pressure washer. It features a telescopic 14-inch handle. It has a 20-foot hose on it. Now, this also has 4 quick connect nozzles and a foam tank. We'll get into a little bit more of that after we take a look at it. This will be good for doing your patios, your cars, your floors, and things like that. And it's about that time of the year where it's getting warm outside. Need to clean out vinyl sidings and things like that. So this will be key for this time of the year. So I wanted to show you guys the box that it comes in. You guys see it has pressure washer there, TSS, powerful motor, high speed, and then a little illustration of the device. So we're going to go ahead and get it out of the box and take a look. All right, guys, so here's everything that was in the packaging. As you guys see, some assembly is going to be required here. But this is everything you get in there. Plus you get your instructions. Pamphlet here with your screws and hardware there. And they also give you some extra, or give you some washers here as well. So I'm going to go ahead and assemble this thing, then we'll try it out. All right, guys, as you guys see, I have completely assembled the pressure washer. Very easy. The straps were very easy to understand. Didn't take very long at all. Just shooting a video, it took a little bit longer, but very compact, small, comes with wheels on it. Wasn't exactly sure how to put the hose on there, so I did it that way. Something I need to say about the nozzle and handle here. This features TSS, total stop system. So as soon as you let go of the handle, the water will stop spraying. And there's also a locks feature right here as well, where your kids or someone get a hold to it, then it won't, accidentally spray and hurt someone. Also, on the power card, you're going to have reset and easy, reset and test. And this features GFCI protection, which provides extra protection against electrical shocks. So that is a safety measure that they have included in there as well. So let's go ahead and take it outside and try it out. All right, guys, so we're outside. I have it plugged in, just about ready to go here. So let's go around it right quick. So down here, this is where your pressure hose is going to connect whenever I get ready to use it. You got some ventilation there. Here's your on and off switch. You do have your handle here to reel in the pressure hose on the spool right there. You got a place here to hang your power cord. Of course, this is where your one rests when the trigger arm is in place here. And here's the top part of it here. So here it is here. Very easy way to store it. I do like the green color. Here's the top of the handle. This side, you can see the nice green access wheels. Make it easier to move around. Do have a little storage compartment there. This is where your water hose or water line is going to go. Then, of course, you do have your different nozzles here. So the red one is going to be your 0 degree. The white one is going to be your 40. The green one is going to be 15. And the orange is going to be 25. So your 0 and 15 are suitable for stains and hard to reach places. The 25 and the 40 are ideal for large areas such as your boats, cars, and stuff like that. And then of course we got our foam cannon over here as well. So very small, compact. The wheels make it easier to move around. Rolls very well, as you guys see. So I'm going to go ahead and hook up the water supply, and then we're going to try it out. All right, guys, so I have the water supply plugged in, have the pressure hose off of the reel here, spool, and now it's ready to go. So let's go ahead and see how it sounds first. All right, so it comes on temporarily until you press the button on the handle here. So we're going to go ahead and start off and use the 0 degree first. Okay, guys, so let's go ahead and try out the nozzles. So this is going to be the 0, and these are marked on the end of them, so you can't get it confused. So what you have to do, just pull back on this, slide your nozzle in place, make sure it's locked in place. Now the 0 is going to be more of a straight line. You guys see, it is definitely cleaning the concrete here. So this would probably not be used for this because it's not covering enough area there. So let's go ahead and try out the 15 next. So here's the 15. It is definitely marked on there, 15. Let's go ahead and try it out. It covers a little bit wider area, as you guys see. Let's go ahead and try out the 25 next. All right, this is the 25, and as you guys see, it's much wider. Working great. Not very loud, not going to disturb your neighbors. And this is done just water, no cleaning solution or anything. Let's go ahead and try out the 40. All right, guys, so here's the 40. Let's try it out. Much wider, but still does the job. Yeah, see? Works great. Let's try out the foam nozzle next. So in order to use the foam cannon, you have to remove the 1 here, and it gives you instructions on how to do it. So let's go ahead and put the foam cannon in there. So here's the foam cannon. I have filled it with some of my favorite car wash stuff here. So let's go ahead, pop it in place. Let's go ahead and try it out. I'm going to reposition the camera. So I repositioned it on my truck. As you guys see, there's a lot of bugs from a recent trip that I took. And this would be ideal for getting it all soapy to clean your truck, your patio, your vinyl siding, or whatever. So let's go ahead and try it out. See? So you guys see it gets very soapy. Now you can take your washcloth or change. You can go ahead and spray the whole thing down, or you can change nozzles to get those bugs off there. But as you guys see, it gives out a lot of soap, bro. Let's go ahead and try this on vinyl siding now. So this is some vinyl siding that's on my house right here. You can see it's getting a little dirty here. We keep it clean quite often, so let's go ahead and try it out. So as you guys see, comes off very easy, and that's without putting any vinyl siding clean or anything, just from the pressure of this. And I'm using the 25. Using the 25 on here now, and works very well. Let's go ahead and finish. All right, guys, so this has been my look at the SwipeSmith Pressure Washer. Very small, compact, easy to use, comes with everything that you need to get started, cleaning your patios, washing off your boats, cars, concrete padding, decks, whatever you want to use it for. Gonna come with all your nozzles that you need as well, and very neat and compact. Like the color as well. Also comes with the foam cannon, and great price as well. So definitely leave a link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. Will H, I'm out.